Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fineland. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 money-saving hacks that you can start using right away. These tips are simple, effective, and can help you save more money each month. Let's dive in! Hack 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every month. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. It's a simple trick that ensures you're consistently putting money aside. Hack 2. Meal plan and cook at home. Eating out can get expensive, so planning your meals in advance helps you avoid impulse buys and save money. Plus, cooking at home is usually healthier too. Hack 3. Cancel unused subscriptions. Take a look at your subscriptions. Are there any you're not using? Canceling unused subscriptions like streaming services or gym memberships can free up extra cash each month. Hack 4. Buy generic brands. Another great hack is to buy generic brands instead of name brands. Generic products are often just as good but cost a lot less. Whether it's groceries or medications, going generic can save you a lot over time. Hack 5. Use cashback and coupon apps. Use cashback and coupon apps when you shop. Some apps give you cashback or find you discounts on things you're already buying. It's an easy way to save without changing your habits. Hack 6. Pay off high-interest debt first. If you have debt, focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Interest can add up quickly, so paying off these debts first can save you a lot in the long run. Once those are gone, you can start tackling other debts. Hack 7. Shop with a list and stick to it. Always shop with a list and stick to it. Whether you're grocery shopping or buying clothes, a list helps you avoid impulse buys and keeps your spending in check. Hack 8. Unplug electronics. Did you know that electronics use energy even when they're turned off? Unplugging devices when you're not using them can lower your energy bill. It's a small change that can lead to big savings. Hack 9. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on items you use regularly, like toilet paper or non-perishable foods. Just make sure you're actually going to use what you buy so it doesn't go to waste. Hack 10. Negotiate bills and expenses. Finally, don't be afraid to negotiate your bills and expenses. You can often lower your phone bill, internet bill, or insurance premiums just by asking. A quick phone call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Those are my top 10 money-saving hacks. Start using these tips today and you'll see how quickly the savings add up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Fineland for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.